Hello guys, welcome to another video tutorial on this channel. Today I'm going to introduce to you a very important features Canva has. I think this should be what you have been looking for long. Being able to manage all the important apps in your phone in one place. Canva has a features right now that can help you manage all your important apps in your phone in one place, like your Instagram, your YouTube and more. So if you like what you just heard, please go ahead and like this video. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, let's get into the main video. So guys, welcome back. So like I said, that I want to introduce to you one important features that will help you manage all the important application in your phone right inside this Canva application. Okay, so let's say when you open a project, let me randomly click a project, like okay, open a Facebook post, right? Okay, let's say we want to edit or we want to post this on Facebook. Okay, after clicking on this plus icon, apart from the normal thing you normally see here, there is another important feature here that is called apps. Okay, so in these apps that Canva has, you can bring all these applications right into Canva and make use of them, right? You see here Instagram, you can bring Instagram, right, your personal Instagram, into this Canva application, and Canva will be able to manage all the image. So all the ones you were not able to do them well, you can edit them from here and post them back, right? So Canva can also bring your Google Drive, right? All the things, maybe you want to create a course, a video or imagery course, you can create it right and post it here. So it also has where you can bring your YouTube, right? You can bring your YouTube channel into this, where you can access your videos, edit your thumbnail and every other thing. So it also has text to image and AI that can generate text to image, right? So you can bring it inside Canva, right, and begin to make use of them. So it has plenty of them. It has Pizza Bay, where you can download your music if you are looking for music right here. Download music, download short video, download stock images for your design, right? So it has emoji, where you can download quality emoji, right? It has where you can create in your logos, backgrounds, videos, audios, translators, and it also has where you can input your type font, the type form, where you can create form, right? So this is very important. This particular features is very important. So let's say you want to add your Instagram, so you go ahead, when you come here, you go ahead and click on Instagram. So when you click on Instagram, okay, I disconnected it, so I want to connect it, right? So let me say you click on it. So when you click on it, it will say use. You see, add your Instagram photo to your design, right? So you click use. So when you click use, it will show you connect. So the next thing here, guys, you said allowed, where you say, would you like to continue sharing information about Abasi my account? You said allowed. I'll click on allowed. So when I allowed, it will automatically connect my Instagram to Canva, right? So these are all my content on Instagram. So I can easily click on it and go ahead and edit it if I want to edit it, right? So guys, this is very awesome. This is very awesome. This particular feature is very awesome, right? So you can see it has come. So if anyone I want to use it, all the apps that I've just clicked to connect it to Canva has appeared here, right? So it has appeared on this particular lineup, right? So if I want to go to Pizza Bay to search for anything, I can search for short videos. right? You see they have bring them out for me. Okay, so guys, this is very awesome. This is very awesome. So I'm going to drop another video where I'm going to show you the full on how to use each of them, right? And how to use AI on this channel, how to convert from text to image with Canva right here with these particular features. So guys, if this video interests you, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video. And if there is anything you feel like in this video you want to say, or you have any commentary or anything, you can drop it on the comment section, right? So with all of that, see you in another video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.